Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'll be uploading amazing hair tutorials every Tuesday and Saturday on this channel, so kindly subscribe. Click the subscribe button below so that you get notified when I upload a video. This is a simple hair tutorial, top knot bun. It can be achieved with natural hair, 4C, or any hair textures. You can have this hairdo on texturized hair or on relaxed hair. It will still come out amazing. My hair is texturized for reasons that I have a very tough 4C hair, so that was a very good option for me. It's now manageable, it's workable. So right here I started with wet hair. I had applied previously just few minutes ago. I did apply leave-in conditioner. My hair was in Bantu knots, so it makes it more manageable and it stretches it a bit further. So I just go ahead and apply the Eco Styler gel, a generous amount of it, because you want it to soak well into the hair so that it holds it firmly when it dries up. Still working on the hair with the gel. As I said earlier, I have very tough 4C hair and I texturized my hair a few months ago. Details about the texturizer I used are in the description box below. So there I go. I did a high band Bantu knot and you can see my hair is that long. Yes, that long. Just slick it down. Then you go ahead and tie a scarf on the hair to get the gel to hold into the hair firmly and just getting it slicked down well for about 10 minutes. So we are back and there we go. Wow. I love how neat it looks. So I just use a toothbrush to slick down the edges. You can skip it, you can do it, depending on how you love your edges to look. Okay, the next step is to start working on the extensions or the braids. So that's how I tie the rubber band to hold the braids so that I can attach to my hair. Make sure the attachment is quite firm. You don't want that to be pulled away when you're on your way, but trust me, it can't get out of that hair. It can't be pulled off. I used 2 packs of braids, so that is the second one. It's quite easy and the results are amazing. After that, you just go ahead and do a twist on that braid. Make sure the twist is quite loosened so that your bun or top knot bun is fluffy and fuller. When the twists are quite tight, it doesn't get to be as fluffy as it should be. So watch out for that. To attach the bun to my hair, I use bobby pins, and make sure you attach the bobby pins below the bun so that they don't show. Remember that you don't want the pins to be showing all over around the bun when you're walking. Try loosening it as much as possible so that you get that natural fuller look that I love. And we are done. I hope you love this hair tutorial, guys. Kindly remember to subscribe. Click on the subscribe button below. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about the hairstyle, if you tried it. And if you love the video, kindly give it a thumbs up. See you in my next video, guys.